Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, what it means for Blackrock to step into the cryptocurrency market and many other things. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. And of course, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start our journey with starting with BTC's price movement. So you can see here, BTC hasn't done quite the best thing that it could do because we had the news of the jobs in the USA that we are going to see for sure the interest rates getting hiked all the time for the next at least 1 year. So right here for BTC, what it means that we are having this price action. Are we bullish enough or not? We had a nice pump of plus 3%, but is this enough right here, or were we going to eventually get down? So let's see some very important stuff right there for BTC. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the Fibonacci as we talked about. And secondly, we are going to talk a little bit about Blackrock. As you know, they have made a collaboration with Coinbase. What that means is that Coinbase Pro or Coinbase does not support short positions. Okay, so the first thing you should know is that if they want to do something, they will push the price upwards. So they cannot play with short, longs, and many other stuff right there. They can only be doing long positions without leverage, so they can only be investing or trading with some long opportunities and long buy-ins. That means that they are not going to buy when they are not sure that the market is going up. And secondly, when they decide to buy, probably we are going to see Bitcoin skyrocketing. Anyway, great news for BTC right there, but unfortunately for now, I do not think that Blackrock will play such an important role right there, and I will explain why. Because they won't be making a single move if they are not sure that they have invested at the right time, and the right time is not yet for BTC. What I mean by that is that we are having this target right here for BTC, and eventually what are we having and what we want to do is to get above the 24.3k. Blackrock will have, of course, this line as a major breakout line, and they will push the price even higher if we decide to go all the way back up. Okay, but for now at least, Blackrock won't decide to buy in. I do not think they will decide to step in, at least for now, and I really think that we are going to see Bitcoin's price fluctuating maybe sideways, a little bit downwards. We will see about that. Anyway, the BTC's price right now is not at the best shape. It is not at the worst either. For now, what we want to see and what we want to have as a support level, it is the 50-day MA, the 23 point, actually 2k to 23.183, around there. We would like to see BTC having this as a support level. Eventually though, we might be going a little bit further down. Now, the most important support levels, as you already know from my updates, it is the 22.6k for BTC. Okay, 22.6k, huge support level coming in, and we do not want to lose it. If we lose it, we talked about 21.7k, and of course what we need to go and get to close above, it is the 23.4k, which we didn't close above yesterday. So this was another indication that we are kind of bearish, not bullish at least yet. Okay, if we close above the 23.4k, this will indicate that we have some strength into our actually price action, and then we can move even higher. For Blackrock, they will invest once we approach and close above the 24.3k, so be prepared. Above this line right here, we are going to have a huge buying pressure, except if BTC makes a new lower low coming down from the 17.7k, which I think it is a little bit unlikely. If BTC will drop down, then it will move to retest the 20k, maybe 19.8, around there. We are going to have a fake out where weak hands will sell, and then we are going to pump again. So be prepared for something like that. I've seen that coming in again and again, and this is when smart money wants to accumulate even more. What they are going to do, it is to push the price even further down so they can reaccumulate around here, around this area, and then we will go upwards. Okay, so this is what you should be having in your mind. All right, so with the BTC USDT chart, I think that in the long run, this is what you should be having. Anyway, in the lower time frames, on the 4-hour frame right here, we are still holding the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA. Okay, we haven't dropped down yet. but they are not huge support levels right here. You can see the 20-day MA stands at the 23.1, the 50-day MA stands at the 23.067, so we are not having huge support levels yet. We are having actually the huge support level, it is the 22.6k, and I really believe that right now we will see what is the future of BTC once we decide if we are bullish yet or bearish. For the time being, I'm not seeing any huge bullish movements for BTC. A plus 3% is not something that it is hugely bullish. Okay, I want to see more from BTC. I want to see if we can make it all the way upwards right here. Maybe from the top to the bottom right there, you can see that we might be retesting, for example, the 23.5k, and we will see if we close above the 23.4k if we are bullish yet. If I just remove the logarithmic scale, we will see that we closed above the 23.2k, which was the first resistance level for BTC, but it is just a minor resistance level on the daily frame. Nothing special right there to me personally, and I'm not trusting this as well. So this is what I'm seeing right now. Let's see what the future will be in the lower time frames right here. On the 1 hour frame, we still hold the 20-day MA, which is good. Okay, we are holding the 20-day MA for BTC, which is pretty cool enough and pretty good. And at the end of the day, we want to see if we have if we can manage to maybe have a nice movement towards the upwards. Okay, and maybe if we can support the 23.2k again, achieving the 23.5 at this time, maybe Ethereum will be going all the way upwards into the 1.8k and above, because Ethereum is stronger than BTC. Right now, I'm not seeing that Ethereum against Bitcoin chart will survive for long, but anyway, this is my personal humble opinion. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are, and of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.